Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
I have just lost him, whose separation for a moment would render all the universes unfavorable and void, like bodies without life. Factually, for a living being, there is no one dearer than the Lord. The Lord expands himself by innumerable parts and parcels as svamsh and vibhinamsh. Paramatma is the svamsh part of the Lord, whereas the vibhinamsh parts are the living beings. As the living being is the important factor in the material body, for without the living being the material body has no value, similarly without Paramatma the living being has no status quo. Similarly, Brahm or Paramatma has no locus stand without the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. This is thoroughly explained in the Bhagavad Gita. They are all interlinked with one another, or interdependent factors. Thus, in the ultimate issue, the Lord is the summum bonum, and therefore the vital principle of everything.